Alright, real quick before the video starts, I just want to say, I know I'm bad at typing. Don't put that in the comments. But basically, I just type. I use unpack typing instead of touch typing, which, it's very slow and you're prone to making more mistakes. So anyway, this is an Apex Pro TKL with some hyperx putting keycaps on it. So it's gonna sound a little bit different than the regular stock keycaps on the Apex Pro, but it still has a very nice sound to it, and it's arguably better than the stock keycaps. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Peace.